Every time you start your vehicle or turn your ignition key to the on position, there are illuminated symbols on the dashboard that perform a self-test to let you know the bulbs are working. While these lights usually go off right away and are soon forgotten, there will be times when one or more of these lights will stay on and inform you of a problem, something you need to be aware of, or that a specific system is activated. Vehicle Security Alert. With most modern cars having an anti-theft system, this gauge cluster icon would blink when the security system is engaged and armed. Do note that if it's on and the car doesn't start up, then the car's immobilization system has activated. But if the icon is on and the car still runs normally, then there may be a fault in the security system. Service Vehicle Soon. The Service Vehicle Soon icon would mostly indicate some minor issues in the engine, or your car could simply need some scheduled servicing. It could also have varied meanings depending on your car's model. In other cars, it also may display the words, Service Engine Soon, instead of the symbol indicated above. If you liked this video, share the love and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Why not leave a comment below and let me know what you think. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future.